Hi guys, welcome to my channel Mother's Flavor. Today's recipe is pizza sauce with no sugar and no oil. This is a healthy version of the pizza sauce. Stay tuned to know how to make this healthy pizza sauce. These are the following ingredients that we need to make our pizza sauce with no oil and no sugar. Here I have added 5 blanched tomatoes to the blender jar. Blanching the tomatoes is nothing but just boiling the tomatoes and letting it cool down. Once it cools down, just take out the peel of the tomato and put it in the blender jar. This, add our chopped garlic and blend it in the blender jar. This is how the paste will look once you have blended it into your blender jar. Now heat a pan. Once the pan is heated, add in the chopped onion, a pinch of salt and saute it on medium flame for about 3 to 5 minutes. Here we are adding the salt so that our onions cook soon. The onions have turned slightly translucent. Now we'll add the tomato and the garlic puree, chili powder, mixed herbs, pepper powder. Here adding pepper powder is optional. If you don't like your sauce to be too spicy, then you can just skip this. Salt to taste and jaggery to balance the acidity of the tomato. Give it all a nice mix. We let it cook till the sauce becomes nice and thick and it reduces really well. Keep your flame on medium and let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. This is the kind of consistency that we are looking for our sauce. So now we'll turn off the heat and we'll transfer this into our serving bowl. So there you go, our pizza sauce with no oil and no sugar is ready to go on your pizzas.
I hope you guys really liked the video. If you really liked the video, then do hit the like button, and also if you found it helpful, do subscribe to my channel and do press the bell notification which is there right next to the subscription button so that you get the notification of all the videos as soon as I upload them. Thank you.